Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Maverick R front aluminum rock guard kit. This guard kit fits the Can-Am Maverick R, all models. Install time is around 30 minutes. Can be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's start by removing these 4 factory T27 Torx bolts, and set them aside. Next, grab the guard and the DRT mesh plate, and brushed aluminum plate, and align them up, as you see here. Now, reinsert a factory T27 Torx bolt, in this mounting hole here, and thread it in to hold the plates in place. Next, align and thread in the other 3 Torx bolts. Once all in, tighten these 4 bolts down. Now, we will drill out these 3 mounting holes, shown here. Using a 1/4 inch drill bit, drill out these 3 mounting holes, being careful, only to drill through the outer bodywork plastic. We used a drift pin, to make sure all the plates line up, as they should. Then, grab the 3 supplied push pins, insert them into place, and tap them in with a mallet or hammer. They may be a little snug, but you want them that way to fit nice and tight. That is it. You have installed the rock guard. Now, just repeat these steps to the other side of the vehicle. Congrats, that completes your DRT Maverick R front rock guard install. This front aluminum rock guard kit is an essential upgrade to your SXS to protect you from the elements that can damage or pierce the OEM plastic inner front fenders. Whether it's branches, rocks, sticks or anything else which can be kicked up by tires, hidden in the mud, or that just jumps out at you while you are flying by. This rock guard kit adds another level of protection to keep you and your passengers safe. Made of precision laser cut, bent, and formed aerospace grade aluminum and finished in premium powder coat. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.